What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and today I'm going to show you guys how to enhance your hip-hop or rap mix to take it to the next level. Let's get it.
Combat, this a banger, huh?
Alright, so I have my session open right here. This is by Zay Tuck. Let's play a little bit of it.
Then take a cost 200 and this broad is pushing 3. Don't cost shit to be 100, not a dime to keep it G. No brownie points for getting over. You gon' die if it's on me. Get it on your head.
Alright, dope. So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is this one right here.
Then take a cost 200.
Just a cool little stutter. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real fast. So all you do is make sure you're in your slip mode right over here in the top left. And then I'm going to go and grab the first little section of the vocal right there. I'm going to Command E. I'm going to then move it over. Now you guys do see I have this place marker right here. If I don't have that, what I'll make sure I do is I'll make sure I'm in grid mode. I could go at 1/4, 1/8, 1/16. I'll probably do 1/16. I'll go 132. I'll grab this little first part right here, move it over, boom.
Then take a cost 200.
Then I can move this out if I want to.
Then take a cost 2.
I can make it go faster right here.
Then take a cost 2. Then take a cost.
I can move it closer.
Then take a cost 200.
Over here.
Then take a cost 200. Then take a cost 200 and this.
So stutters work well, work great, especially in beginning parts or just when there's like a little bit of space.
Then take a cost 200.
Or I can move it here.
Then take a cost 200.
You feel me? So stutters work really well for those little open spaces, anything like that. You could just add that in. Another thing you could do to kind of like alter this is you could mess with the volume of how it's coming in.
Then take a cost 200.
Or you could even add multiple ones as well.
Then take a cost 200.
That one didn't really sound good, but we could kind of fuck with it. Like we could do something like this.
Then take a cost 200. Push it 3.
But yeah, you guys can mess with it. You guys can add different stutters, extra, less, whatever. Just be creative. So next thing I'm gonna keep playing.
Brownie points for getting over. You gon' die if it's on me. Get on your head just like a closure. Boy, that bitch ain't stopping me.
Okay, so what I did with that is I'm listening for the last 4th or 8th bar. So every 4th bar, you kind of want to change in the song. And that's how you really enhance like a hip hop or rap track. So for instance, I left the first 4 alone, but I messed with the last 8 or the last 4 of that 8.
Brownie points for getting over. You gon' die if it's on me. Get on your head just like.
First thing I did was I took the original vocal track and I
die if it's on me. Get on your head just.
And I turned it into that. I'll show you.
Die if it's on me. Get on your head just like a closure. You get on your head just like a closure.
So that's what it sounded like before. Now I'm gonna enhance it by adding a little bit of a telephone effect right here.
You get on your head just like a closure. Boy, that bitch ain't stopping me.
And then what I do after that is then I'll take the part of the beat after.
On me, get on your head just like a.
Now I'm gonna use a 1-knob filter right over here, and I'm gonna automate it.
On me, get on your head just like a closure.
Down.
Boy, that bitch ain't stopping me.
Then I take out this part of the beat right here. So originally it was like this. I just moved it over. Command E, Command M.
Bitch ain't stopping me. It's 200 on this day.
Another thing I did at this part of the section right here is I took this part of the vocal right here. I duplicated the track. I added a reverb at 100%. So it sounds like this.
And
then I layer that in with the original track.
Bitch ain't stopping me. It's 200 on.
So it sounds like this.
Bitch ain't stopping me.
You feel me? And then when you add that all together, it comes out like this.
Gon' die if it's on me. Get on your head just like a closure. Boy, that bitch ain't stopping me. It's 200 on this dance. You
guys see how it enhanced the hell out of that track? It did a lot, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you guys another area where I use that reverb trick. And it's right over here.
I was walking, ain't no way I'm driving slow. Niggas kill you just to rob you.
So I took out that last part of the beat of that 4 right there, and I added that reverb part to that last track just to enhance it when it hits.
Was walking, ain't no way I'm driving slow. Niggas kill you just to rob you. I can't go.
And then I also did another one of those like telephone effects / underwater beat effects right here too.
I'm up off a stove, you would've thought I came from Memphis. How I come up off a hoe, I'm back. 4x4 the track.
You guys see how I'm adding all the same type of effects, like just the different parts in different ways. So I did the same thing right here. Telephone effect.
You would've thought I came from Memphis. How I come.
Underwater beat effect.
You would've thought I came from Memphis. How I come up
Beat
off
drop.
a hoe, I'm back. 4x4 the
And then I added that stutter right there to kind of bring it back in.
4x4 the track.
Feel me?
Hit the gas, watch it geek up. Mine's out straight from.
So I'm adding those same type of effects. I'm just adding it on top of each other on different areas to just fill in those gaps. You feel me? And it adds so much in hip hop and rap. Here's another part where I just took out a large part of the beat.
Say shit with your chest and stand on biz, you better speak up. Nigga, this ain't that, I broke her back and sent up.
You know what I'm saying? So if you find very like highlighted moments of what they're saying in the song and you just sometimes you take out the beat, silence sometimes goes a lot harder than all this extra shit or even like 808s or whatever is hitting. Like the silence is what does it. And then I'll show you guys one more part at the end over here.
Get down like listen, talk about some money, want me to pay attention. Hope if I'll keep wishing. Nigga, this ain't that, I broke her back and shit gon' bitch.
So what I did right there was I did a underwater effect with the one knob filter, and then I automated it going up right over here. At the same time, I took that main vocal track, I put a telephone effect on it, as well as on my auto tune, I did a -12, a full octave transpose of it.
Nigga, this ain't that, I broke her back and shit gon' bitch you. He like how that happen, ain't nobody, this what motion do.
The low pitch is a little rough. You know, Zaytuck was really fucking with it, so hey, we stuck with it.
Nigga, this ain't that, I
Sounds really good with it.
shit gon' bitch you. He like how that happen, ain't nobody, this what motion do. Lady been no feeling good, I told her can't get close to
Bring it up, automate.
Nigga, I know what she supposed to do, I'm back.
Alright, awesome. So that concludes our tutorial. I hope you guys learned some things to really enhance your hip hop rap track. Now, if you guys want some free presets and templates, please feel free to check out our website, www.infinitrhythmpresets.com. I'll make sure I put a link in the description below. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Instagram at combat_K. And again, if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.